Hello my lovely friends, welcome again to another quick tutorial. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and join this amazing family to get access to free computer tips and other gadgets repairing solution tutorials. Today I received this external hard drive from a friend called Victor Kwashi, and I want to diagnose and troubleshoot it as quickly as I can. The problem of the drive is that when you connect it to a computer, it does not show on this PC platform. And when you check the device manager, it shows a strange name by Norelli's USB bootable USB device. This means that the computer cannot recognize the manufacturer's name. I'm however suspecting a circuit board problem, so let's disassemble it and check. Now, after disassembly, this is what I found. The firmware chip is dislocated on the circuit board, which means it's out of connection. That is why the computer cannot recognize the manufacturer's name with the drive. So we just need to do a resoldering to put the components in its right position. I'll make a full tutorial on soldering and other relevant tips. Before we start with the resoldering process, we first need to identify the pin number 1 of the firmware chip. As you can see, there is a small dot at one side of the chip. That leg or pin very closer to this dot is pin number 1, and it goes anti-clockwise from left down to right up to the last leg pin number 8. So with this tip, let's conclude the soldering process. After the soldering process is completed, we can clean the soldering area with any alcohol-based solution. I normally use thinner. After, wait for some few minutes for it to dry. Then after, you can reassemble the hard drive. After the whole process, let's connect the drive to the computer and check it once more. Now you can see the drive is showing. Now let's check the device manager once more. Now you can also see the manufacturer's name. Before it was Norelli's bootloader device, but now it is Element's USB device. Now this is my last tip. After repairing or fixing drives, I do this last testing. That is to check the health of the hard drive using this amazing tool, Hard Disk Senator. It gives you the actual health status of your drive for you to take an appropriate decision. As you can see, the drive is 100% healthy with no issues. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you got value from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video.